Hey guys, this is Steve, AAA Trucks, Monroe, Georgia. This right here is a stock number LY5961. This is a 2020 Freightliner Cascadia 126. It's got a double bunk in it, Condo. I'm real excited about these trucks, guys. We've done a fresh DOT inspection on them. It's a 128 point inspection. So without a doubt, this truck is going to be ready to roll when you come by it. Look at here, it's got the super singles on the back, the sliding fifth wheel. This particular one's got 525,000 miles on it. We've got several of these in stock. I believe this is the second one that we videoed. It's got an electric APU. It's rolling on a Detroit. It's a DD15 455 horsepower. It is sounding smooth. You can hear it right there. Let's get you inside. Very clean. Leather Cascadia seats. Lots of room. Double bunk, so you can carry your friend with you on a trip. You can see, guys, that's a nice truck. So come on down, AAA Trucks, Monroe, Georgia, and we'll get you rolling.